and then you should be able to just drag into the sequence, and now it's doing what I want it to do. Thank you. Hey, it's Miss Karen.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. So for this, we're just going to do take 2. All right. So the key thing that we're doing here is for output, we're going to export to file. All right. So I'm clicking on to export to file, and ta-da. I'm going to save it inside my folder here. I'm going to go to options. All right. We do want to select .mov. All right. If I had marked in and marked out inside the timeline, I would select use marks. All right. If I had audio tracks that for some reason were inactive, but I wanted to include them, I would select include inactive audio tracks. So for this, we're going to go with the project raster, all right, which is going to be 1920 by 1080, 16 by 9 stretch, and we'll go with 24p in this particular case. Our output color space is going to be Rec 709, bless you. And here is what it wants to default to, all right? So when you're going to export, you're usually going to see something like the DNX HD or the other variant, the DNX HR. All right, what we want in this case is H.264. So we're going to select that. 8-bit is fine. We don't have to worry about that. What's that, Jerome? Oh, okay. So again, mix, we can make it stereo even though I don't have any audio tracks. All right. I'm going to click save. And then we have ta-da, and then save. All right. So that is going to bring ta-da into onto my hard drive. So the next thing that I have to do is I'm going to minimize. All right. I'm going to go to my hard drive. I want to find ta-da. So I could do, you know, like the find file. I'm just going to put in ta-da. And I want to go to my hard drive. And there it is. Double click. And it's 30 seconds, 36 seconds of glory, folks. Okay? 36 seconds of glory. So I know that my file is working. You always want to test your file. Ideally, you really want to let it play in real time to see if there's any mistakes or any glitches. All right. For this, because I don't have audio, I'm not really going to worry about it. So I know that that is working. And for this is where I'm going to stop. And the next thing we're going to do is Panopto.